Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. I hope you're enjoying the scenery as I'm on my little rainy day hike here in New Jersey. And I wanted to show you what I'm carrying. I am carrying another knife by 704 Tactical. This is the Midnight Scout Lite. This comes in at 2.44 inches with a D2 drop point blade that is coated, G10 handles that are textured, beautiful jimping on top, deep carry clip. Just a great EDC knife and just a fun one to have on the trail. So I hope you're enjoying it. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp. But continue watching the video, so that way you can see some more of the scenery